Hello students, today we are going to cover up the first main important chapter of the 11th standard commerce, journal entries. So firstly you have to take a look, what do you mean by journal entries? It means that in the business when we are doing any transactions, it will definitely affect the two accounts. Like if we are purchasing something, we are purchasing the assets, then cash is going and asset is coming. So let's see, this is part number 1 of this video, journal entries, how we will pass the journal entries in the accounts. So one by one we will take the most important entries. Let's start. Journal entries for the owner investing the capital. There is where the owner invests assets in a business. This results in owner's equity and is more specially known as capital or a capital investment. So how we will pass the journal entry? Bank account debit with 15,000 rupees and the capital to capital account 15,000 rupees, because this is the entry for owners investing the capital in the business. So it means bank account business cash is coming, so we are doing bank account debit and to capital, because for what purpose he is investing? For the capital. So we are doing the entry for bank account debit to capital account. The full detail you can see in the other videos. The second one entry, let's see, journal entry for a liability or debts. How we will do? Firstly we have to get the idea about what do you mean by debts. A liability is simply a debt. In this transaction, a business receives some assets and owes someone else for this. In this particular example, the business receives a loan. So how we will pass the entry for a loan of 5,000 rupees, bank account debit to loan account. So bank, here you can see that bank account debit with 5,000 and loan account credit to loan account 5,000 rupees. In this way we can pass the journal entry for our liability. We can say that is debts also, so that for liability we can pass the journal entry like this. Now we are taking the journal entry for the third thing, journal entry for purchasing an asset. In this we are purchasing asset for our business. In this transaction the business spends money in order to obtain an asset. Since money itself an asset, you know that you are essentially swapping the one asset for the another. It means when you have to purchase one asset, the asset is coming in the business and the cash is going outside. So how we will do the journal entry? We will pass the journal entry like this: banking equipment debit to bank account, because banking equipment is coming in the business, so 12,000 debit, and to bank account means because from the bank we are giving the money 12,000 rupees. Okay, next one, for journal entries for withdrawing owner's fund. Firstly you have to get about the word. What do you mean by withdrawing? It means when an owner of a business withdraws funds for the business from the business for his personal use. So withdrawing means for his personal use. When any owner, he is withdrawing the money funds for his personal use, that is called withdrawing from the owner. This is known as drawings. In this, the opposite of capital, this is the totally opposite of capital, because earlier we saw that in the when he invested in the capital we did a different entry. Now we are doing drawings debit, because drawings he is taking off and to bank 500 rupees. So in this way we will pass the journal entries for withdrawing of the money. Next one is cash income. Journal entry for cash income. How we will do? When a business earns income and receives a payment for this immediately, we record the following. How? When a business earns income, so bank account debit to services rendered, we can say, or income with 10,500. So there is a services rendered by the business of 10,500. So we are getting the income. So what entry we will pass? We will pass the entry like this: bank account debit 10,500 to services rendered account 10,500. Journal entry for income on credit. This is the journal entry for when a business makes income but does not receive the payment for this way, a debtor or receiver is recorded, an asset account representing the amount of funds owned by us. So what entry we will pass? Let's see. Debtors account debit with 5,000 rupees to services rendered or income account 5,000 rupees. So in this related to this, you can see other videos. Let's see. Journal entry for receiving money from a debtors. Debtor means the person who is receivable. When a debtor or receivable pay us back, we record the following: bank account debit, because money is coming in the bank, so we can say bank account debit with 5,000 rupees to debtors, because from the debtors money is coming, so that to debtors account 5,000 rupees. In this way we can pass the money received from the debtors. Next one is journal entry for expenses paid in cash. So when we have expenses and we have to pay immediately in cash, what recording we will do? Salaries. This is the expenses, we can say. We are taking example here for salaries. This is the expenses. We have to pay immediately in cash, so that is debit. Salary account debit to bank account for 4,000 rupees, because 4,000 transaction we had done. So here for expenses paid in cash, we will do salary account debit 4,000 to bank account. Let's see the other one. Journal entry for accrued expenses. In this transaction we have an expenses, but we do not pay to pay it straight away. The expenses is accrued, means owing. A liability is thus created when we owe our suppliers. We can call creditors. Creditors represent the value of these debts that we own. So what, like we here, let's take one example of telephone expenses. So telephone expenses debit to creditors, or liability you can say 2,000 rupees, 200 rupees, 200 rupees. Let's pass the next entry. Journal entry for paying our creditors. Actually we pay our creditors with money that we owe them. So what the entry we will pass? Creditors liability, because we have to pay. So account debit to bank, from the bank it is going, so to bank account, and creditors account debit. So in this way we can pass all the important journal entries you can see, but the detailed one regarding each entries you can see other videos on the site. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Please wait. Thank you so much for the video, and please wait and watch for the next video also. Thank you.